For many of those living on the East Coast, Wegmans is a staple in groceries, deli products, and baked goods. They are well known for their scrumptious whipped cream frosting recipe, which recently has been improved to include no artificial colors. Fortunately, this recipe for the whipped cream frosting you can make in your kitchen. This frosting has a delicious whipped texture that is sure to have your friends asking for the recipe. This recipe is simple to make and is just like the Wegmans whipped cream frosting. Whipped cream frosting recipe, what you will need. Ingredients: 2 cup Wegmans heavy whipping cream, 1 cup Wegmans powdered sugar. Whipped cream frosting recipe, step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a chilled metal mixing bowl with a whisk attachment, add the heavy whipping cream. Beat on medium-high for 1 minute, or until the cream becomes stiff. Step 2. Slowly add the powdered sugar into the mix. Beat the mix at high speed until the frosting reaches a stiff form. Use the frosting immediately or put it in the fridge. Make sure the frosting is stiff, otherwise the texture will not hold together. This frosting comes out white, so you can add food coloring to it to reach your desired shade. You may also add up to 1 stick of butter if you prefer a creamier texture. 1 tablespoon of vanilla may also be added to achieve more flavor in the frosting. Tips and tricks. When making the whipped cream frosting, it is best to chill the mixing bowl and whisk before making the frosting for about 15 minutes. This will help it reach the right consistency and stay cool. To keep the whipped cream frosting fresh, store frosted baked goods and leftover frosting in the fridge. Make sure to cover your frosted baked goods in the fridge so they won't absorb other odors from the fridge. The remaining whipped cream frosting will last in the fridge for 3 days. Make sure the baked goods you frost is completely cool. If the baked goods you frost are still warm, it will cause your whipped cream frosting to melt and lose its consistency. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.